guys, it's Neelam and welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for showering your love on my this video where I made a clutch bag and you guys loved it, so thank you so much for that. And today I'm going to share how I made this magical bag which you can turn into any trendy bag. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. I bought this plain round shaped sling bag from Amazon for 399 rupees. I have given the link in the description box for that, just in case if you like to buy. You can buy any shape of your choice. I have got these two designer fabrics from a local fabric shop in North Delhi for other purpose, not for this bag, but before making other pieces from these, I thought to make this DIY. You can do it from any scrap fabric of your choice. Then I have got this laptop box. My husband got a new laptop recently and this was a total waste, so I thought to make some use of it. So use thin and strong box or cardboard for this project. First of all, I'm gonna draw the shape of the bag on the box and cut it out. I'm making two designs, that is why I have taken out 4 cutouts. You will need 2 per design obviously. As the same shape of the bag, I have cut the fabrics as well, but with extra margins to cover the sides of the cardboard. Here you can use any adhesive, but I'm using fabric fusing double-sided tape to stick the fabric with the cardboard. For sides, I'm cutting the extra margins in small sections as this is a round shape and it will be easier to stick it on the back side without spoiling the shape. To ensure it stays put, I'm covering the back of the board with the fabric fusing. Now I am using the velcro tape as the fastener on the bag as well as on the cardboards so that I can stick them together whenever I want. And that's it. It's ready. You can turn one bag into n number of trendy bags as and whenever you want. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram account, and I have given the link in the description box of the bag that I used from Amazon. So yeah, stay tuned to my channel and stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.